Everyone, this is exercise 6J of chapter 6. Name of the chapter is decimals. So let us start the video. The first question is complete the table. Complete the table. Okay. So in question 1, we have 5 and it has to be divided by 10. So what will happen if I divide 5 to 10? Now, look at this very carefully. I'm going to tell you a very important point. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 1 0. So we will put decimal after one digit in the numerator and then 0 here. So the answer is 0.5. Okay. Now what will happen if you divide 5 by 100? Okay, so it will be because there are two zeros in the denominator. So we will put decimal after two digit. Okay. Now there is only one digit. So you will put an extra zero here and then put the decimal. So you will write 0.05. So the answer will be 0.05 when you will divide it by 100. So write uh, 0.5 here and 0.05 here. In the same way, you will get 0.0020. Okay, 0.00. Sorry. Okay, so 005. Okay, now let me tell you the C part of this question. So C part is, in C part you have to divide 0.8 by 10. So there is 1 0. So this decimal will shift one digit here. It will be 0.08. Okay. Now when you divide 0.8 by 100, so the decimal will have to shift left hand side two digit because there are 2 0. So but there is only one digit, so you will put extra 0 and then shift the decimal, so it will be 0.008. And when you will divide 0.8 by 1000, so there are three zeros, so this decimal has to be shift three digit, but there is now there are three zeros, so you will write it here. So the answer will be 0.0008. Okay, so write here 0.08, 0.008 and 0.0008. This is the final answer. Okay, now I'm going to explain question E, which is 4.532. When you will divide it by 10, so this, since there is only 1 0, so this decimal will shift only one digit, so it will be 0.4532, because you will, instead of writing decimal here, okay, now if you will divide 4.532 by 100, so there are two zeros, so this decimal needs to be shift two digit, but there is only one digit, so you will put extra zero here, and instead of writing decimal here, I'm telling you, remove the decimal here and write it after two digit and then 0, so it will be, and then it will be cancelled. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be 0.04532. Clear? So you have to actually do this, you will not cut it, you will do this in the next step. Now let me tell you the next uh, the same part, which is 4.532 divided by 1000. So now there are three zeros, so this decimal needs to be shift three digit, but there is only one digit, so increase 2 0 Now it can shift 3 digits. So the answer will be 0.004532. This is the answer. So in this way, you will do all the parts. You will have to do all the given parts from A to G of question number 1. Okay. So do all questions from question 1. Now I'm going to tell you question 2. So question 2 says, it says, write the one step operation you would use to change these numbers. One has been already done for you. Means if the question is 24 and the answer is 0.24, so the question is asking, if you want to go from here to here, what step, what operation that you have to do. Means what you have to do, whether you have to multiply or divide, and if you have to divide, then by which number you have to divide. So of course, if we are having 24 and if we divide it, because you can see here, the decimal is here and it is shifting 2 digit that side, so it means we are dividing it by 100. That is why now it is 0.24. So that is why divided by 100 is written already in the answer. Now let me tell you C part. 87.53 to 8.753. So this decimal is shifting only 1 digit. So it means we are dividing it by 10. Okay, means only 10. So you have to write here divided by 10. Fine. Next, question E. So this is question E. It says 9.732 0.0973. So now as you can see, this initially the decimal was here, but now it is here, means it is shifting it is shifting 2 digit. Okay, so it means we are dividing it by 100. So you have to just count how many digits this decimal is being shifted, and according to that you will decide that whether we have to divide it by 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay. Now next, question G. 60 to 0.6. So it means the decimal is shifting 2 digit. So here also we have to divide it by 100. Okay. So divide by 100. Fine. So you have to do all the parts from A to H of question number 2. Okay. Now next, question G. Sorry, question 3, part A. It says divide. Do not show any working. Means 15.9 divided by 10. So 15.9 divided by 10. Here we are dividing it by 10 and 10 has only 10. So this decimal will shift only 1 digit and the answer will be 1.59. Okay. Now question C says 319.7 divided by 100. Now 100 has 2 zeros. So this decimal will shift 2 digit and the answer will be 3.197. Okay. Now question E, 0.7 divided by 100. Now this 100 has 2 zeros. So this decimal will shift 2 digit, but here only 1 digit is there. So increase 10 and the answer will be 0.007. Now question G, 62.07 divided by 10,000. So it has 40. So this decimal will shift 4 digit, but there are only 2 digits. So 20 increase yourself by your own and the answer will be 0.06207. Fine. So this is all for today. Do this exercise in your copy. Thank you.